What's up everyone, welcome back, and today in this video I would like to show you how to discover people on Instagram. So let's begin our video. So first of all, you need to open your Instagram application, and after that you need to go your profile on the bottom right corner. Now there you can see this is your Instagram profile, and if you want to discover people on Instagram, so what should you do? So first you need to tap on the top right corner three-line menu bar icon. After that you can see an option on the last, discover people. There you can see discover people, just tap it. So now you can see lot of people. That means you discover people. You can follow him or you can follow each other. So guys, in this way you can discover people on Instagram very easily. So guys, this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.